good to see you again. Welcome to Kids Yoga. Today we're going to read a book about, we're going to read a book about a kitty, a shy kitten that gets lost and meets a lot of friends and does yoga along the way. Before we start, go ahead and get a yoga friend. So I'm going to get my yoga, I have a teddy bear here. You can get any stuffed animal. I see you guys already have some. Good. Okay, so I'm gonna get my friend here. This is my love bear. It says love. Good. And we're gonna start out with our breath. We use our breath whenever we need to so that we can find calmness and settle down. Ready? We're gonna inhale through our nose and exhale out our mouth. You ready to join me? Okay, point to your yoga friend's nose. And then point to the mouth. Very cute. Okay, so as we breathe, we're gonna breathe in through the nose and point to the nose. And then exhale out the mouth. And we're gonna move. You ready? Inhale through the nose and bring your yoga friend nose close to the screen. And then point to your friend's mouth and then exhale out your mouth and let's go really far back. Good. Inhale through the nose and let's go really close. Bring your nose close too. Good. One more time. Exhale out the mouth and go really far back. Good. Let's go ahead and come up again and give your yoga friend a hug. Okay, let's start out with our book, guys. You guys ready? I'm super excited. This is a book called The Shy Little Kitten. The Shy Little Kitten. Aw, it's cute. Okay. The Shy Little Kitten. Once upon a time, in a barn, a mommy kitten gave birth to a whole bunch of little kittens. Aww. One of the little kittens' names was Roly-Poly. The mommy cat left the farm and went for a walk with all the little kittens. There is Roly-Poly. Roly-Poly got lost. Oh no! And Roly-Poly came across another animal. That's a cute little mole. And the kitten said, I'm lost. So the cute little mole and the kitten rolled around together. Roly-Poly rolled around with a new friend, the mole. Let's do that, okay? Let's go ahead and start and lay on the ground and pretend we're cute little kittens. Take our kitten paws in the air and roll around. Ready? Let's do that. Very good, guys. Good. That is fun. Also in the book, the kitten was walking around with the mom. And they were walking, and walking. Let's go ahead and walk around like the kitten and do some kitten stretches. Let's go ahead and get on all of our paws, our hands and knees, and walk around like a kitten and do some kitten stretches. Good. Oh, you guys are cute. Let's do some kitten stretches. really round that cat back. Good. That feels good. Let's roll around like roly-poly. Ready? Good. Okay, you guys are having fun. You guys are really good at rolling around. Next, the kitten came across a mole, and they were having fun. So let's go into a yoga pose. Pretend that we're a mole. So we're gonna go into a pose where we're gonna bend our knees and put our head down. And pretend we're close to the ground and really tiny. Good. Very cute moles. And a mole likes to go around on the ground, and that's how they move around. So we're gonna take our mole paws forward and go side to side like a cute little mole. Good. Very cute. Okay, let's move along and see what Roly-Poly the kitten does next. So Roly-Poly the kitten and the mole were rolling around having fun, and they came across a frog. And the frog had big hind legs and a big mouth. So let's go ahead and be frogs and jump around. Ready? Can you join me? Good. Okay, next, Roly-Poly the kitten came across a puppy dog. And Roly-Poly said, I'm lost. Can you help me find my family? The puppy dog said, follow me. Go this way. So, in yoga, our dog pose, you got it, is with your tailbone in the air. Yeah, and you can kick your puppy dog legs. Let's walk around. Ready? And kick your doggy legs. Good. Let's walk around, kicking our legs. Good job, guys. Okay, so now the cute little puppy and Roly-Poly kitten were still walking around, and they came across a squirrel. And they asked the squirrel, where is Roly-Poly's family? Said, follow me. So let's be a squirrel. So squirrel, we're gonna go ahead and take our squirrel paws like this, come on our knees, and then go up and down. And then we come up, we can climb the tree and come down. You guys wanna show me? You ready? Let's go on our knees. And come up, climb the tree, and come down. Good, come up. That is cute. Good. Are you climbing again? Let's climb up. Very cute. Okay, let's find out what they did next. So, the puppy dog and Roly-Poly became really good friends. And on their adventure, they found another farm. And Roly-Poly the kitten said, I wonder if my family is there. And found Mommy Kitty again. And all the kitties were back together with the mommy. Then they all had a big picnic at the farm. And the farm it started to rain. So all the farm animals got all wet. Oh no! Then after the rain came the sunshine, and roly-poly went back to being roly-poly. Let's go ahead and start with the rain and then add the sunshine. So go and take your legs out wide, lift your hands up, and then rain down with your hands. Come all the way down. And then come up and rain all the way down. Good. After the rain came down, then the sun came up, and then roly-poly rolled on the ground. Let's do that. So standing out, take your arms up, make the rain come down, come up, make the sun, then roly-poly went on the ground and rolled around. Let's do that. Good. Can you roll up and stand up? And make it rain again. The rain comes down. Wiggle your fingers. And then comes up the sun. Good. And then go on the floor and roll around. Roly-poly the kitten. Good. Let's do that one more time. And we come up. Ready? Here comes the rain coming down. Good. After the rain came the sun. Make your arms to a sunshine. You got it. Good. And then roly-poly went on the ground and rolled around again. Can you roll around again? Good. Okay. We're gonna move on. So, we had fun reading about a shy little kitten. Now we're gonna read a book called Go Yogi. Go Yogi. What is a yogi? A yogi is anyone who does yoga. So you're a yogi. Let's go ahead and start by sitting down and crossing our legs. Pretend you're a kitty. And take your kitty paws on your legs. Good. I'm gonna go ahead and sit down. And then as you're sitting down with your legs crossed, pretend you have kitty ears. Good. We're gonna exhale, close and lower the ears. Inhale, lift your kitty ears. Good. Exhale, kitty ears down. Good. Inhale, lift up. Now let's try to move. So let's stay crossing our legs, and we're gonna go down with our body and then come up and breathe like the kitty. Crossing your legs. Are you ready? Show me your kitty ears. Kitty ears up. Inhale, as you exhale, kitty ears go down and come forward. And then inhale, lift up your body and lift your ears. Good, you got it. Let's try it again. And exhale, kitty ears down. And lower your body too. And then inhale, lift up and kitty ears. Good, that is cute. Let's go ahead. From that pose, we're gonna move on. This is a cute pose called a teapot. So you pretend that you are a teapot. Let's go ahead and stand up, take one hand on your hip, and pour the tea out. Good. You got it. So let's go ahead, take one hand on your hip, and here's your teapot. Go ahead and pour the tea out. Good. Come up, Would you like a cup of tea? Sure, here you go. Here's some tea. Good. What about someone on this side? Maybe someone over here wants some tea. Would you like a cup of tea? Sure, here's some tea. Good. Nice. Okay, that was fun. Next, we're gonna go ahead. Remember the kitty was at the barn? And we do this pose a lot of times. It's called tree pose, but we're gonna pretend we're opening a barn door. So bend one knee, take your hand on the knee, and then open the barn door. So, you guys ready? Go ahead, lift a leg up. Take your hand on that knee and hold it up. Good. Take that other arm out and open the door. Good. Remember in our story, the kitty lived in a barn? Pretend the kitty's coming up and let's open the door. Here comes the kitty. Ready? To the barn. And open the barn door. Good. Now the kitty comes in, and maybe the kitty wants some tea. Are you ready? We're gonna come in, open the barn door. Hello, kitty, come in. And then go into your teapot. Ready? Kitty, would you like some tea? Here's some tea. You got it. Good. Okay. What else can the kitty cat do? So remember, there were a whole bunch of animals at the barn. So there's sometimes the feathers are around, and this is called collecting feathers. So what we do is we stand up and we reach down like your arms are floating feathers, then pick up feathers off the ground. Let's try that. Go and stand up in star pose. Let your arms float down like feathers. Good. Let's pick up the feathers that fell on the floor. Are you picking them up? Good. Let's try that again. Stand up, and then your arms are like feathers floating down. Ah, good. And pick up the feathers. You got it. Okay. Let's go ahead and put all this together. Let's do our kitty cat. Good. Go ahead and sit down, cross your legs, and show me your kitty cat ears. Ready? Okay. Here we go. The ears up. Good. Inhale, exhale, kitty ears down, and you come down. And come up, kitty ears up, inhale. Those are cute kitty ears. Let's do that again. Exhale, kitty ears down, and you come down. And then inhale, cute kitty ears. Can you wave your kitty ears? Hello. Good. And then the kitty says, I want to roll on the ground. Let's go on the ground and be rolling home kitty. Remember this one? Good. You got it. And then rolling holy. Going to the barn. Let's come up and do the open the barn door. Remember how to open the barn door? Let's go ahead and stand up. Hold your leg. Ready to open the barn door for the kitty to come in? Ready? Here we go. Open the barn door. Good. Maybe the kitty didn't make it in. Let's open the door again. Ready? Open the barn door and then invite the kitty in for some tea. What's our teapot pose? Do you remember? Hand on your hip. Hello, kitty cat. Do you want some tea? Sure, have some tea. Pour the tea out. Good. Hello, kitty cat. Do you want some tea? Let's pour the teapot. Good. Very cute. Let's see what happened next. Oh, and then there was the feathers were around. You ready? Here we go. Come up. And then the arms come down and the feathers come down. And you pick up the feathers on the floor. Good. Coming up, let's do it again. All the animal friends, some of them have feathers. And the feathers come down. Good. And pick up the feathers. You got it. Good. Okay. What else can we do? So this right here is called boat pose. So we've done this before. Oh, look at the monkeys on the boat. So Roly-Poly the kitty is gonna pretend it's on a boat. You ready to be a boat? Let's go ahead, take your legs in the air, up. Good. And then roll back. And roll up. Try to hold yourself up, don't fall over. Good. Do that a couple times. Woo. Good. Let's see what else this book has. And then the kitty also found some butterflies and was doing the butterfly pose. Hands on the feet and then move your knees around. Good. You got it. Then the kitty said, let's take our feet in the air, pretend that we are a candle. Can you do that? Good. This is feet in the air candle pose. Good, you got it. You have to put your feet straight up in the air, okay? Good. I'm gonna join you. Here we go. Feet straight up in the air. Can you hold your back? Can you point your toes and flex and point and flex? Can you wave your legs around like you're on a bicycle? Can you circle your ankles? Good. Can you reach your feet really far back? Ah, good job. Let's go ahead and come up. Let's go ahead and come back and do our kitty ears together. Are you ready? Show me your kitty ears. Can you come close to the screen so I can see your kitty ears? Good. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and inhale, ears up. Good. And exhale, ears down. Can you go down also? And then inhale, lift up and lift your ears. Ready? Inhale and exhale. Ears go down and you go down. And inhale, lift your ears up. I see you. One more time. And inhale and exhale, go down. And inhale, come up. Aww, that is cute. Very cute. So we have fun doing kitty cat poses. Let's see what else the kitty cat does. Okay, so this is a book about a cat. And this cat is a yogi. And you are a yogi too. A yogi is someone who does yoga. This is warrior pose. Remember this one? Look at the cute monkey looking on. Good! So when we do warrior pose, we need to think that we're very strong. So let's go ahead and take your arms out, bend one leg. Good. Now we are strong warriors, but we're also still kitties. Let's go and take our kitty ears. Good. And then when we come down, we're gonna lower our ears. You ready? Let's do this in warrior pose. So in warrior pose, bend a leg. You got it. Show me your kitty ears. Good. And then go down. And then lift up. Lift your kitty ears up. Good. And then kitty ears go down. And lift up your kitty ears. Good. You got it? Hello. You guys are really cute kitties. Let's return to our story. Do you remember the story that we started reading today? It's the shy little kitten. And the kitten went on an adventure. So first, the little kitty had kitty ears, and we did our breath. You want to try that again? Let's go ahead, sit down, cross our legs, and show our kitty ears, and do our breath with our kitty ears again. This will be fun. Cross our legs. Good. Okay, kitty ears are ready. Here we go. Inhale. Exhale, kitty ears go down, and you go down. And inhale, come up, kitty ears go up. And then exhale, lower your kitty ears, and you go down too. And inhale, come up, good. Let's go ahead and do some kitty stretches. Let's go ahead and come on our paws, and then round your back. Good. Walk around. Good. Remember what happened in the book? Remember what happened in our book today? The shy little kitten? You guys are good at that. The kitten got lost and found a friend, a mole. So let's go ahead and be a cute mole. Bend our knees, take our hands down and stretch side to side. Ready? A little mole. And go side to side. Good. Now let's make this stretch bigger. So we're gonna move our mole arms and go side to side as we're on the ground. Let's go ahead and try that. So go ahead and bend your knees, guys. Are you ready? Hi. And we're gonna go ahead and pick up and stretch and come down. And pick up and stretch. Good. You got it. Nice. That is really good movement for a cute little mole. And then the mole and the kitty rolled around on the ground and they came across a frog. Let's go ahead and do our frog jumps. Ready? And here comes a frog. How high can you jump? Woo! Good. Okay. Then the kitty, do you remember? Came across a little puppy. And the puppy said, follow me. You ready to be puppy dog? Let's go ahead and do down dog and kick our legs in the air. Good. Let's walk around. The puppy dog said, follow me. Good. You got it, guys. Then the kitty and the puppy came across a squirrel. So we're doing that squirrel again, climbing up in the tree. Do you remember? We're gonna be on our knees. Little cute squirrel paws, climb up the tree and come down. Here we go, guys. Ready? Good, you got it. Now let's come down. Climb, 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 climb. Oh, that was cute. Show me those little squirrel paws climbing the tree. I think I like the squirrel the best so far. And we went ahead and found their mom again. Aww. And found all the rest of the kittens back together again. And then remember what happened next? Then it rained. Everybody got all wet. Then after the rain came the sunshine and roly-poly rolled on the ground again. Let's do that again. Ready? Show me your rain. Take your legs out, arms up, and then rain down. And come up, and after the rain comes the sun. Good. And then roly-poly rolled on the ground. Good. Okay. Did you have fun moving? You're moving around a lot. Can you think of which of the poses we did was your favorite? Okay. We had fun reading our books. Let's go ahead and pick up our yoga friend. Go ahead and show me your yoga friend. Hello. So we're going to do something today. This is called loving kindness. So loving kindness is about being safe and loved. Take your yoga friend and give your yoga friend a hug. Good. Let's go ahead and do our hugging breath. Take your yoga friend in one hand, open the arms out. Inhale. Good. And exhale, hug. Good. One more time, let's switch hands. Ready? Inhale and exhale. I like that. So we're gonna do something today, and this is called sending out loving kindness. And there's something we can say. You don't have to say this, but if you want, it says, go ahead and pick up your yoga friend, and you can look at your yoga friend if you like when you say this. It says, may you be happy. May you be safe. May you be peaceful. May you be kind. Aww, give your yoga friend a hug. Let's try that again. Ready? Look at your yoga friend and share loving kindness. You can say, may you be happy. May you be safe. May you be peaceful. May you be kind. And give your yoga friend a hug. Aww. So after that, let's go ahead and do our love breath. So take your hands at your heart. Inhale. And exhale, send loving kindness out. Good. Let's do that again. Ready? Hands at your heart. Inhale. And exhale, send loving kindness out. Aw, that's nice. Another breath we can do is about love. So go ahead and pick up your yoga friend. Good. Then we're going to go ahead and do our hugging breath. Hold your yoga friend close to you. So this is our growing love. So love is good when it grows. Go ahead and take your yoga friend. Come down. Good. Ready? Holding your yoga friend, we're going to take your arms out like this. You can look at your yoga friend. And then come up. Take your yoga friend up. meet your yoga friend. And come down and give it a hug. Make your love grow. Ready? Coming up, take your arms out. Lift up. Look at your yoga friend. Lean back. And come forward and give your yoga friend a hug. Good. One more time. Ready? Here we go. Take your yoga friend out. Look at your yoga friend. Lift up. Lean back. Make your love grow. Good. And come down. Give your yoga friend a hug. Nice. We're going to go ahead and do our next pose. Remember the open the barn door? So let's take our yoga friend in one hand. Come up, hold this knee. Pick up your leg too, like this. Holding your yoga friend. Good. Okay, ready? We're gonna open the barn door. Take your arm out and open the barn door. Good. Let's try and make this a hugging breath. So we're gonna open the barn door. Good. And then come down. Look at your friend, lift up. Lean back. Good. You got it. Let's try that again. Ready? Hold your yoga friend. Open the barn door. Can you balance? Can you hold that leg up? Is your arm out wide? Good. And then add a hug. So after you open that barn door and your friend comes in, come down, give him a hug. And then lift up and grow that love. Good. Let's try that again. You want to try the other side? Ready? Go ahead. Pick up that leg. You ready, guys? You got it. Hold your yoga friend. Open the door. Can you balance? Can you stay here? Careful. Whoa, don't fall over. Good. Now the barn door is open. Your friend comes in. Let's go ahead. Come down. Give your friend a hug. And then grow that love. Reach up and back. Look at your yoga friend. Good. You got it, guys. We're going to go ahead and grow some more love. Let's go ahead and jump up. Let's go ahead and start down. Hugging your yoga friend first. Good. Ready? Jump up. And meet your yoga friend in the sky. Ready? Here we go. Lots of love to share. Here we go. Up. And come down. Good. Ready? Lots of love to share. First, give your friend a hug. Loving breath. And jump up. Good. One more time. Here we go. And jump up. Good. Do you feel full of love? Do you feel full of loving kindness? I do. Good. So today we read some books about kitty cats and friends and did lots of love movements. What was your favorite? I like the kitty cat. Let's go ahead and do our kitty cat breath again. Ready? Show me your kitty ears. Inhale and exhale. Go down. And inhale, kitty cat ears. Hello. And exhale, kitty cat ears down. And inhale up. Aw, that's cute. So you know I have my yoga friends and you have yours too. I'm gonna get out my next yoga friend that you've met before. This is my alignment bear friend. And you can get out your yoga friend too. An alignment bear is always sitting with the legs out in a straight line. Let's do that. Well, let's be kitty cats, okay? Want to join me? Take your legs out. Good, show me your kitty ears. Good. Now remember, when your kitty ears go down, you go down. And come up, kitty ears up. Ready? Keep your legs straight. Kitty ears go down. Can you go down too? And come up. Good, let's try this side. Keep your kitty ears up. Lower your kitty ears, go to the side. Good, and come up. You got it, let's try the other side. Ready? Kitty ears up, and go down. And come up. Very cute. Okay, another way to be in alignment is your legs straight in front. Ready? Show me your kitty ears. Here we go. Kitty ears down. And kitty ears up. Can you do that stretch? Let's try it again. Kitty ears down. And kitty ears up. Good. Okay. My next friend I have is my I Love Nature bear. I love nature. So nature bear is always in tree pose, right? Let's go ahead and stand in tree pose. It's kind of like the barn door pose. Remember that? Yeah, you got it. You ready? Let's go ahead, but let's be kitty cats in the tree pose, okay? Start with one leg up, arms out. Okay, kitty ears. Are you ready, kitty cats? Okay. So tree pose, good. And we're gonna lower the ears and you go forward. And then lift up your kitty ears. Are you balancing? Because you fall over. Let's try it again. Come on, kitty cats, ready? Kitty ears go down. And come up. Did you do it? Did you do it? Good job. Okay. Let's see what else I have next. My next friend is my breathe bear or breath bear. And this has to do with just breathing. So let's think about all the yoga poses we did today. Remember I said I like the candle pose? Remember the candle pose we did? Think about it. What was the candle pose? Remember this pose? With your feet in the air and your arms on your back? That's a candle. Can you do that? Yeah! Good! Now, how are we gonna do that pose and do our kitty ear breath at the same time? You wanna try it? Let's try, okay? Here we go. Go ahead, lay on your back. Put your legs in the air. And make your legs go like a bicycle. Good. Make your legs go back. And come up. Good. Let's go ahead and roll forward. Now after you roll forward, let's cross our legs and add the kitty ear to go down. And then come up. And then roll back. And candle. Can we do that? Here we go. Go ahead, roll forward. Cross your legs. Show me your kitty ears. And go down. Kitty ears up. And roll back. Handful. Keep those legs. Good. Ready? Here we go. Roll forward. Cross your legs. Kitty ears. And we close the kitty ears and go down. And come up. Good. You want to try it again? Here we go. Go back. Candle pose. Good. And let's go forward. Cross kitty ears ready. You guys ready? Good, I see your kitty ears and you go down. And come up. That is cute. Let's go ahead and do roly-poly. That was the name of the kitty in our story. Roll our back. Roll around. Roly-poly the kitty. Good. Can you roll forward and back? Good. That was fun today. We did lots of love and lots of cute kitty movements. Let's go ahead and return to our breathe bear. Let's go ahead and come to the ground and then take our friend on our lap with our legs crossed. Cross your legs. Put your friend on your lap. Good. Show me your kitty ears. Good. Let's go ahead and stretch to one side. Show me your kitty ears on this side. Hi. Oh, cute. Stretch to the other side. Good. Show me your kitty ears on this side. Very cute. Let's go ahead and lay down your yoga friend on your belly. Take a deep breath. Inhale. And exhale. Make your yoga friend rise up and down as you breathe into your belly. Ah. Good. Okay. Before we end today's class, we're going to play one of our favorite games. It's called Yogi Says. Remember that game? Okay. Now we're going to play this game with our yoga friend at home. So go ahead and get your yoga friend out. And Yogi Says is like Simon Says. So if Yogi says so, we do it. If Yogi doesn't say so, don't do it. Ready? Okay. Yogi says, take your yoga friend and give your yoga friend a hug. Good. Yogi says, put your yoga friend's nose close to the screen. Yogi says, make your yoga friend go side to side. Yogi says, give your yoga friend a hug again. Put your yoga friend close to the screen again. Ah, Yogi didn't say so. That was good. Yogi says, put your yoga friend close to the screen again. Good. Make your yoga friend dance. Did Yogi say so? Okay, now Yogi says, make your yoga friend dance. Give your yoga friend a hug. Did Yogi say so? Yogi says, give your yoga friend a hug. Let's put our yoga friend down. Yogi says, put your hands on your heart. Yogi says, open your arms out and share the love. Good. Yogi says, put your hands on your heart again. Open your arms out and share the love again. Did Yogi say so? Let's try it again. Now Yogi says, put your arms out and share the love. Aw, you guys are good at this. Okay, go ahead, take your hands in prayer. We're done with the class today. We had lots of fun. At home, I want you to think about practicing your fingers your breath and movement. Let's go ahead, take our hands in prayer. prayer. And bow and say namaste. Namaste. Good. Let's do that again. Namaste. Ah. So what does namaste mean? Namaste means the spirit in me honors the spirit in you. The spirit in me honors the spirit in you. Thank you, guys. Bye.